you ever looked at your old year's books pile and watched helplessly as these said books go to the scrap dealers? At the same time, somewhere, anyone can be in dire need of these books. What will you go do? Where will you go?
For the purpose of spreading and illuminating the fire of reading books among the masses, we have created an app which answers all your questions and provides you with options at your fingertips.
When in dire need of notes regarding a subject or a topic, easily log into the app, search for the topic and read the pictures posted by other users for free.
Books, which are usually lying around in your bookshelf, will do nothing but collect dust. Just simply open our app, take the picture of the cover of the book, add description, and instantly your book will be added in a library filled with many other books.
But what about a book for yourself? Don't worry. Just enter the name of the book which you would like. Contact the book owner via the provided phone number or email ID. Then decide a meeting plan where you can get your book from the book owner. The barter option gives us a get one give one deal, which ensures the satisfaction of both the users.
Did you know that people in India are the world's biggest readers, spending an average of 10.7 hours a week? For a population that reads so much, do you have any idea that there are certain sections of society who are not able to get them?
According to our survey, 83% of people prefer giving their books to the underprivileged. Our app also has a feature where you can donate your books to the needy. It's often said a book is a man's best friend, but in the 21st century, a smartphone is a man's best friend. So here we are trying to mix the old with the new, the smartphone with the books, and present to you our virtual library, our Reader's Planet. आपका नाम क्या है? आप कितने साल के हो? 10 साल के हो। अच्छा, आपको पढ़ने का कभी मन करता है? तो आप क्यों नहीं पढ़ते हो? पैसे नहीं है मम्मी पापा के पास, तो आप क्या करते हो पूरा दिन? दुकान पे रहते हो, काम करते हो? मतलब बस आप काम करते हो पूरा दिन? अच्छा, और आपको अगर आपको मतलब पढ़ाई करने का मौका मिले तो आप करोगे? आपको किताबें लाके तो आप पढ़ लोगे उनसे? पक्का? So what are you doing these days?
I am pursuing law first year.
Oh well, I had a question. Like, is there any problem you face, like, you know, common problem related to books or something in your college?
Yeah, of course I do face, because as in today's generation, many people are pursuing for law, so they, opt for, most of the books are gone from the library. So I keep on rushing here and there, looking for the books, asking them, literally begging people to lend me those books, but sometimes I'm unable to do that.
Oh well, you know, we are making this mobile application where you will be able to share, barter and donate books and notes. So what do you think? Like, what's your, do you think it's appealing for the college students?
Of course it is, because lot of debates, moot courts, as you say in law, are going on, and books helps us a lot. And rushing after people, literally begging them for books, is quite hard for us. This application will surely help the students to, come up with new ideas and help them with reading.
Okay, so thank you, Ananya.